Unlike other kids who softened and learned to regret their mistakes, P.J. Brown remained obdurate for the length of his punishment. Does obdurate mean easily persuaded, religious, hardened, or out of sight? This sentence uses a contrast clue. Our signal word here is the word unlike, signaling to us that whatever the other kids were like, P.J. Brown was the opposite. In this case, other kids softened and learned to regret their mistakes. If this is the opposite of P.J. Brown, then obdurate must mean rigid or unchanging. Let's take a look at our choices and pick which one best matches our definition. Easily persuaded is almost the opposite of what we're looking for and can be marked off. Religious doesn't match with our definition nor our sentence and can be marked off as well. Hardened sounds to be what we're looking for, but we're going to go on just in case. And out of sight, again, does not match with our definition nor our sentence, so we are left with C, hardened, and our final answer.